Curious about which candle scents our customers cannot get enough of? In today's video, we're going to go over our top 10 best-selling fragrances. Welcome to Candle Business Pro. I'm Chad, and here at Candle Business Pro, we aim to help you master the art of candle making and help you grow your candle business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let's dive into our scents that fly off of the shelves. In this video, we're going to cover our top 10 fragrances from our year-round collection. I'm going to focus on the 5 bestsellers from our classic collection. We've had these since we started almost 3 years ago, and they have been consistently top sellers for us. I also want to give you 5 additional top sellers, 1 scent from each of our other collections. I'm going to start with our mono scent collection. This is a collection where we just use 1 oil. In this collection, the top seller has been Lily of the Valley. Florals can be a hit or a miss, but this one has been the top seller since we released the mono scent collection. Up next is our Duo collection. This is a collection that we released in a sleek black vessel with a very simplistic label. We wanted to try to elevate and do a little kind of luxury line with these. With the formulations, we just do 2 oils. So the top seller in that collection by far has been the Santal and Sandalwood. Santal has been very popular in the fragrance world for quite a while now, and we wanted to do something that was kind of a unique take on the Santal. A lot of them are the nice and spicy woodsy Santals, which are fantastic. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites. So definitely recommend adding this to a collection. The next collection I want to go over is our Things to Do collection. We have a handful of candles in this collection. Each of them is a unique scent and a unique design. They are all based on a location or an activity. The artwork is done by a local artist. She has these great designs where it just gives you the place or the activity and then all the awesome things about it. So these have been super popular across the board, but our top seller has been Grand Haven, and people just love these as a little souvenir to take away. A lot of locals love them because they love where they're from, and they do also make really great gifts. So the Grand Haven one has been our top seller. The second runner-up was Lake Life. It is a unique scent that is very nice and fresh, very summery. So I definitely recommend something that your area is known for, especially if you're in a tourist area. People will love to take that stuff home. From our Sweet Memories collection, our top seller is our Morning Brew candle. This is a really nice, softer kind of coffee. It has cream, vanilla. It's just very delightful and not aggressive coffee. But our customers love this one. We did this collection because we didn't really have any foodie or sweet scents, and we realized that there was a whole market for those. So we did an 8 candle collection, and since the release, Morning Brew has been the top seller for sure. All right, and lastly, from our Aurora collection is our Fluorescent candle. This is top seller out of the 6 that we have in that collection. It is more of that Santal 33 type scent. It leans into the spicier Santal. This one I absolutely love. It has been an amazing seller and customers absolutely love it. So I definitely recommend leaning into the Santal, at least for a couple of fragrances. If you have a wide collection, customers will definitely be searching for it. Now let's take a look at our top 5 selling scents. These are from our classic collection that we started with almost 3 years ago, and these have been consistently our top 5 sellers. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Lavender Breeze. Our Lavender Breeze is a combination of lavender and bergamot. I did this so that it wasn't just a straight lavender fragrance. I wanted to add just a touch of complexity to it. And I think the earthy citrus notes in bergamot really lend well to the lavender. This one has the top note of lavender. It's got that nice citrus from the bergamot, and then it's rounded out with powder. It definitely doesn't overpower. It just kind of balances out the brightness of the lavender and the bergamot. This is going to always be probably a top seller because lavender is always being searched for, whether it's in the store or online. Lavender is just a classic, give me the relaxation kind of scent that people are always looking for. Up next is Seaside Spa. This fragrance truly delivers on that spa-like vibe with its blend of ozone, water lily, and sandalwood. When I was creating our base collection, our classic collection, I wanted to create a few that were all about relaxation. This has always been a top seller, but it has recently moved up because I think more people are searching for that like self-care relaxation time, and this truly delivers on that. Now let's take a look at our top 3 bestsellers. In the 3rd spot, we have Mahogany Driftwood. This one has been the third bestseller since we opened and started selling candles. I think that is because of its nice, clean, cologne-like fragrance. It has really nice notes of cedar, lavender, and oak as the top, middle, and base, and then it has touches of eucalyptus and sage. It is just a really, really nice fragrance. Mahogany Driftwood is definitely one of our favorites. It's been a consistent favorite since we came up with the recipe. Coming in at number 2 is our sugared lemon fragrance. This has been in the top since we started, and I think it's because of the nice punchy lemon, the touch of verbena, and a nice subtle round out base of vanilla. I think it's a unique blend, and I really think that that blend is what keeps people coming back to it. It does fluctuate between 1 and 2. In the spring and summer, it definitely pops into that top spot. I think it's just nice and fresh and kind of lends to that like clean smell that we're looking for in spring and summer after the winter. Again, top seller. Definitely recommend leaning into a nice lemon fragrance. And finally, our top seller is our Hello Sunshine fragrance. This is a top seller since we opened. Again, it kind of battles with sugared lemon for the top spot sometimes, but it is consistently in the top 2. I definitely recommend having a citrus fragrance or 2 in your collection. People are always looking for that. They're nice and bright and fresh, and people just love it. This one is a nice blend. It has a citrus punch to it, and then it offers a subtle bit of sweetness from agave, and I think that blend is what is irresistible to customers. These fragrances sell so well because they're high quality, versatile for any season, and they resonate with what our customers love most, whether it's relaxation, nostalgia, or something bold and exciting. If you're making your own candles, consider incorporating these types of fragrances into your line to boost sales, and don't be afraid to try your hand at creating your own custom blends. What's your favorite kind of candle scent? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Do you want to learn about perfecting candles, get more of our top-selling recipes, or how to create your own bestsellers? Be sure to check out our candle making course and our membership at candlebusinesspro.com. You'll get all the details on creating amazing candles and ways to scale your candle business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more candle making and business tips. And remember, you have the spark. Now go create something brilliant. See you next time.